Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Have you heard of digital marketing and wondering exactly what it means? Well, you're not alone. And in this video, I'm going to break it down into small, relatable bites. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what digital marketing is, the different types of digital marketing that you can get into, and why it's absolutely perfect for beginners just like you. And stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. In fact, I felt like I had an expensive hobby. This gave me this mom guilt because I was spending so much money trying to make money online, but wasn't making back enough money to cover my monthly expenses. But it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you are mystified about digital marketing, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about learning, mastering the arts, the skill of marketing to your target audience online. Okay, it's going off the traditional way of doing business to actually reaching your target audience where they are, which is online, and that's where you are right now watching this video. There's different ways to do this. There's one of the most common ones is SEO, search engine optimization, where you can create content. It could be video content, it could be articles, it could be blogs, and you could offer solutions to your target audience. And when they're looking for a solution to the problem, your content could show up, and you could end up directing them to more information, right? So SEO is great long term, and you have to put in the work, but once you have your content out there, it's out there working for you. The second way that you can actually type of digital marketing is email marketing, right? The money is in the list. Any successful organization, leader, marketer, they have a huge list, right? A database of people who are interested, who have expressed interest in what they have, and even customers. So email marketing is definitely one way that you can actually reach your target audience. And then there's social media, which you are on right now watching this video, right? So instead of wasting your time liking and scrolling on social media for no reason, you could actually turn your social media profiles into ATMs, right? So social media is huge, and you can actually do organic social media as well. You could do paid ads, where you could run ads on social media platforms, on Bing, Yahoo, Google, YouTube, all these platforms. You could do classified ads, you could do AI chatbots. There's different ways that you can actually reach your target audience. Which way is better than the other? There is no one size fits all. It's like a cake, right? You have to mix and match, come up with a strategy that best suits your particular product or service, right? A mixture of them is good. And why is digital marketing great for beginners or busy moms? First and foremost, you can start up for a very low startup costs. You can start up as little as $100 and get access to some amazing step-by-step training and mentorship and coaching. And if you do organic methods, there's no monthly expenses as well, so you can learn to reach your target audience organically, right? And it's a minimal startup because you just need the internet and a device. As long as you have those two things, you can get started. So there's no high investments to start with. And because it's just the internet and your device could be your phone, right? So you can actually work around your schedule. So if you're a busy mom, when your kids are napping, you could actually be working your business, or maybe when you're collecting them from school, or they at a game or something that you can't actually watch them, you could be on your phone working your business while waiting for them. So it's good that you can actually do that, build your business around your schedule. Okay, so if you're interested in learning more about launching a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025, I'm actually on a mission to work really close with 150 moms this year to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. I just realized I said that twice, but anywho, why not? Should I say it a third time? No, I won't. But anyhow, so if you would like to learn more about using a proven step-by-step blueprint to help you grow your business, then you can either type blueprint in the comments or just click the link in the comment to claim your free copy of our 10K in 30-day live interactive guide. I'll deliver the guide to your email. Make sure you respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you, okay? I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.